Lee, I'm ready to purchase a new refrigerator.
Okay, first
We need to measure the existing space, front, back, bottom, middle, and top, and make sure there aren't any walls in the way restricting the doors from opening.
Okay, and then you have to
measure the depth. I know, I've been to your website.
Okay, do you want a side-by-side or
No, Lee, I want French doors and I want ice and water in the door.
Very good. Well, we have those starting at $14.99.
That's perfect. If you're also hunting a new refrigerator, go to HahnAppliance.com and download their measuring diagram. Then come see us at 41st and Memorial.